Hey everybody, so today, got a spider in there. Hi everybody, what's going on? Georgie 7.3. Got another simple video for you today. Today, very simple, we're gonna be putting on oh, can't see the we put on an MBRP exhaust tip on this 2009 GMC 2500 HD Duramax, Drax a Duramax. Did I mention it was a Duramax? I don't know if I did. Get this biatch rolling. Hook the exhaust, the camera right there. Oh God, yes. So we went with the exhaust that's on it right now is a 7-inch. I mean, not a 7-inch, a 5-inch. So we got a 5-inch inlet, 7-inch outlet because the 7's classy, boy, and 18 inches long. I thought this one came in cursive, but now I guess they do it like this, which I am not a big fan of. I like the cursive style that I had better. But it is what it is. So we're gonna get the exhaust cut. Just went to Home Depot. Got us a nice 9-inch Sawzall blade, boy. We're gonna be scientists here. I did. Oh, first we gotta see where we want the exhaust tip. I'm getting too far. This is gonna start choppy. Look at that. What do you guys think? Huh? So we marked where the back of it was. We go about probably 3.5. 3.5 forward. I got to get a marker. 3.5. Baby glasses. Oh, clean. But it's like, all right, so we're just gonna shoot. All right, we're gonna get it, son. Hey, Clayton, touch that. It's not hot.
I'm good.
You good? Now it's time for the 2-hour break. Pretty tight, boy. Pull it out of here. We'll get a full view of it from the side and everything. What do you think, Otis? What do you think, huh? What you think, huh?
He likes it.
I guess so. He's like, oh God, the MBRP. I kind of like this exhaust though. I ain't gonna lie, I liked it for a while, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I actually called and was gonna try to get this polished. I think you can polish it yourself, but like a chrome powder coat or something. But the only thing, it doesn't stick well for high heat, so. Yeah. Everybody, after a little bit of looking at it and thinking about it, I think what I'm going to try to do is push the exhaust tip in more. I like the way it looks here, but when I look at it from sideways, it looks like it's like sticking way out. Like I can see the whole tip and everything. So I'm going to try to see how far I can get it pushed back up in it, but there is like a 45 in it, so we'll see how that goes. All right, see what she looks. Oh, you're messing up my new clean tip. How you doing? Oh yeah, that thing looks good, boy. Up the grass and get my new clean exhaust tip all dirty. I like it way better how I pushed it up to the 90 or to the 45 I should say, because it was sticking like way out. So I like it a lot better now. It's nice and classy, boy. Truck's sitting level, clean driving. Truck's looking good, boy. Coming out clean, boy. All right, everybody, appreciate everybody for watching. This is a short video putting on the MBRP exhaust tip. Get you one today. Not sponsored, so I appreciate everybody for watching. And me and Clayton appreciate y'all. Appreciate Clayton for helping out, and I will catch y'all on the flip side. Oh, that's good.
Subscribe today to get a chance to get a Duramax. All right, start her up.
Dancing, stop it. All right, so we got here the new Joel G 7.3 headquarters. Got some equipment out here, getting her done. It's just a small building. Just right here checking her out.